What's up, y'all? It's your boy Reggie Beats, and I'm about to cook right now. So what I'm cooking today, I'm cooking something that I would have cooked if Doug was like, yo bro, give me something for business. But then on this tutorial I'll be using the stock plugins for Logic. So yeah, definitely just make sure you got your MPK Mini plugged in. No need to do any extra settings. Once it's plugged in, you're good to go. Okay, alright, cool. So now we're gonna look for a melody, of course. Gonna use Alchemy. Let's see. I'm looking for some nice. Let's see. Okay, let's keep going. Okay, let me just record because I feel like as I'm recording, a dope one will come about. Okay, let's go. Okay, that was not bad. That was not bad at all. Yeah, let's go. Let's get it. I think I might go with this. Cool. Let's go. Alright. So this is the entrance, right? The intro. Now let's try and get something to support it, right? So I'm just gonna duplicate this because I got the main key, and you saw everything is from the MPK Mini, man. We're in looping today. Alright, so let's look for a different sound now to replace that. We're not gonna replace it, but we're gonna back it up. Back it up for real, nigga. Let's see. So I'm gonna back it up with an arpeggio, of course. Already sounding. Let's go. We're not gonna waste too much time. We're gonna go right. Hopefully I'm recording. Great. We're gonna go right into the 808. You know what I'm saying? To give it that bounce as we go. So let's go look for, yeah, man, we need a nice 808, man. I always use the XD, the Cymatics 808. Let me try in here. Let me see the Mandela 808. Okay, nah, it's too loud, it's too dirty. Okay. Okay, so I think what I'm gonna do is that, yeah, I'm gonna use this type of 808, but I'm gonna be switching it up at a lot of places. Okay. see that. Okay, I'm gonna quantize it. Q, I mean just 8 notes so we can chop it right. Whoa, get out of here. Alright, now let's try. You know, I always go crazy with the hi-hat, man. You know what I'm saying, especially using this trick where you gotta use the note repeater. It's crazy. Just open up the note repeater, set up key, no, not key remote, but modulation wheel, because you're gonna modulate with that. Let me just solo it as well so I can hear it. Okay, and now the minimum, I want it to be that. No, I want to be, I think this. Yeah. Then the maximum can be maybe 32. Let's check. Okay, yeah. Let's go. Almost full of my chair, man. Shit was too late. Let's go. Oh no, don't quantize, undo. This one already comes quantized. Okay, cool. Okay, there at the end I need to splice it up. I'll splice it up now. Let me quickly get a perc. I want the perc on this one. I'm not gonna put a snare. Let me try a perc. Let's see. Okay, it's fine. Let me get out of this drum kit, go to a different one. Black Friday teaser. Alright, Cartelli Pop always got some dope ones. That's it. Yeah. Okay. Of course, you know I'm gonna make it drop even harder, bro. Okay, let me also fix here the end of the hi-hat. I'll just duplicate it with this one. Drop it right there. Need some reverb a bit. Just put an end verb. Okay, alright, cool. So of course, when he gets here, now I'm gonna duplicate this side. I need to add a kick now. A kick, crash, you know, just to make it land even harder here. So let's go to the XDY kit and look for this. Oh, I like that one, man. Whoever made this one, shout out, you killed it. So I'm just gonna record there right quick. Oh, undo. Let me unsolo everything, yeah. Okay. Okay. That, and then the kick. Let's go. Drop that baby right there. Then let's copy the 808, but we're gonna flex it up a bit. Copy the 808 pattern, drop it right here, then open this so we can, because the kick, everything gotta be on the same key. I'm sure there's a better way to do this, you know, but currently this is the only method that I know. Oh, okay, okay, so now we need to also add, like, I think a clap or a snare. You know, I don't know, but let's see. Let's add a clap or a snare. Okay, but a snare can do it. Let me go look for a snare right here. Okay. No, the snare is too rough. I need a clap, a light clap, like champagne clap, of course. Okay, let's see. Let's go. Okay, so now let's check. Let's play it from here and see. Yeah. Let me flip it like one more time when the verse comes in. This is the hook. When the verse comes in, of course, you gotta change a bit. You'll see how I'm gonna murk this, man. Alright, let's go. I duplicated that so I can play around with this, give it a different sound. Okay. Okay, let's take it an octave up. Then we're gonna put half time. You know, give it that young gross feel. Okay, but here I wanna flip the 808 as well. Might be like, what's like? Okay, let me check out the 808 goes again. Yeah. Okay, I'm just start like that. Pause. Okay. Okay, then here. Okay, let's go. All right. gonna do this, and I'm gonna let the hi-hat only come here. Whoa. Okay, now we need to get this crash. You will feel this drop, my nigga. Okay, and then now on this drop I need to add another perk. One last perk. This is my signature perk.
Hey.
Yeah, that one. Drop this baby right here. Okay, cool. Then we're gonna do that, take it down. Okay, and then we're gonna also make a copy of that. Then that's when we're gonna get a snare. And I think we do need a snare. So where is it? I'm gonna get this one. Let me check. I might find a nice one in here. Okay, let me fill that thugger snare. Ah no, cancel. This is it. Okay, let's go. Okay, cool. Quantize that. Then we're gonna also copy this to the kick. Right there. It's gonna be like the kick will only drop in here. Also with the kick we gotta just make sure this is the kick. Oh yeah. Put on the same note because it's a kick. Alright. Man, this is too nice, bro. Okay, alright, let's check. Now I'm gonna drop everything there and see. Okay, let me play this from the start. Now you'll hear. Yeah, man, I think I'm gonna end it here for this beat. I'm just gonna compile it, but I'm gonna put the link to this beat in the description below if you think you can kill it. You know, I'm gonna make it available for free so that you can jump on it first, send it to me. If you make it, then I might just give you a free license. Alright, this is your boy Reggie Beats. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. The link for this beat definitely is in the description below. Comment in the comment section below on what type of beat I must make next. I'm out. Peace.